Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to regenerate the particle filter on a Mazda 6. The first step is to plug in a wire as it is in this video, the upper right pin and the negative on the battery. The second step is to start the engine on, make sure it is warm enough, and then accelerate up to 5000 RPMs. The car should enter the regeneration process. As you can see, the car is up to 2000 RPMs, that means the process began. So I'm going outside the car. As you can see, the smoke coming out the exhaust, that means the car is cleaning itself. After 20 minutes the DPF is not lighting anymore, so you can turn off the engine and it's done.